Hey y'all, let's make dinner for a family of 8. Back again here at the kitchen. Remember, me and a chef. Okay? Me and a chef. I'm just gonna try a tea. Alright, bye. Alright, so what you're gonna need for this recipe is onion, bell peppers, garlic. You can put thyme in there if you want, scallion, but I didn't use any. I would also add my regular dry seasonings to this mix here because I did it last time and it was way better than before. So now you're gonna need some whipping cream, some tomato sauce, and the beef broth. I like the wine one, you can get that one. And you're gonna need some spaghetti for this recipe. So that's me getting everything, and olive oil, by the way. That's me getting everything sauteed in the pot, simmering down with the beef broth. Then I'm gonna add some sun-dried tomatoes. Did I mention that before? If I didn't, you need some sun-dried tomatoes. I'm sorry. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm gonna put some sun-dried tomatoes in the pot, let everything simmer and come together. Like I mentioned just now, just dash a little seasoning, just some jerk seasoning, some all-purpose, whatever seasons you like to use. I'll show you in a sec the 2 seasons that I always have in stock, that I always use in my meals. So now I throw in the whole box of heavy cream because, guys, like I said, I'm making dinner for a family of 8. My dad just wanted a lot of kids. I come from a big family with 14 of them. Him thinks him different than him father, him mother actually. But he fathered up with my pitney too. I don't know how much though. I'm not really close with that side. Then I add my tomato sauce. I'm using the vodka sauce here. I've tried it with a rosé sauce as well, and I personally prefer the rosé sauce, but do whatever you feel. If you want a regular tomato sauce, you can use that too. So that's my sister. She came home and saw me cooking, and guys, I probably haven't cooked for them in like 3 years, to be honest, because I barely visit. So now here are the 2 seasons I told you about. So it's the all-purpose seasoning and the garlic, Caribbean herb garlic from Cool Runnings. So just sprinkle that up on your salmon with some olive oil. Don't use too much like me. Then you're gonna put this to air fry for 12 minutes. I do 8 minutes first. Well, I put 12 minutes on, check it at 8, and then if I need the extra 4, I give it the extra 4 because you don't want your salmon too dry, especially if you're gonna do it like me and put it into your sauce for to cook down for another few minutes because I wanted my sauce to have that salmon flavor in it. So yeah, put the ninja to work. This is my parents' house, so they have all the good appliances. I personally don't. So yeah, that's my salmon coming out real nice. I don't know why salmon always have that white thing on there, but I'll figure it out one day. Make sure you put your water to boil first with a little oil, then put in your spaghetti. Add some seasons to your roux. Make that simmer down some more. And we're also gonna add some Parmesan cheese to this because what's a pasta without cheese, guys? The Italians love their cheese, you know? So we gotta put some cheese in it. And like I said, this is for a family of 8, so that's why it looks so much. We're just gonna now add our salmon to the pot, submerge it in there, let it get that flavor in there. Oh, before I did that though, I put some lemon, a few drops of lemon juice in the pot just to give it a little tangy flavor, and it was really good that way. I've tried it without lemon as well. I did like it. It doesn't really make a huge difference, but if you like tanginess, especially with the vodka sauce, try that. So everyone actually enjoyed this meal, including my dad, which I wasn't sure that he would because he doesn't really fancy stuff like this. But he actually liked it, and we had one piece left over, one piece of salmon left over, so I just packed that up for myself for the next day. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye, and let me know if you guys do make this meal. By the way, I believe everything for this came up to around $30 or less. So feed your big family for less than $30.